Hey guys, in this video I wanna talk to you about the dictionaries in Python. So dictionary is very useful data structure in Python. Dictionary we use to store the data when we have different attributes. For example, when we have a person name, person address, mobile number, etc. If you have watched my list video, in the list we store multiple values just in single variable. But in the dictionary we can store data with separate attributes. In dictionaries we work with keys and values. Keys represent attributes such as name, address, age, mobile number, etc. And values represent values of the keys. So let's define a dictionary. Over here we are gonna say customer data equal to, and the syntax of dictionary is opening and closing curly brackets. Now inside these brackets we can define our keys and values. So I'm gonna say id colon, and I'm gonna store one number in this id key. So let's say 10, 20, 30. So this id is our key and this number is the value of this id key. And you have to separate your keys and values with comma. So now I'm gonna say name colon, and in the name I'm gonna store Imad Ali comma, and let's define a few more keys. Let's say mobile colon, and in the mobile I'm gonna store one number. Let's say 92304 9394 455 comma, and address. In the address I'm gonna say Peshawar, Pakistan. Now let's print the customer data dictionary. So down over here, print statement, and our dictionary name is customer data. Let's go ahead and run our program, and we get all the dictionary keys and values. We can access dictionary specific keys with two methods, one by using square brackets method and second by using get function. Let's see first square brackets method. Square brackets, and in the square brackets you have to pass dictionary key in single quotes or in double quotes. So I'm gonna use single quotes and I'm gonna pass name. So now if you run our program we will get only name key value, which is Imad Ali. So let's go ahead and run our program, and we get only Imad Ali. But the problem with square brackets method is that if we passed over here any key which is not present in our this dictionary, then we will get an error. Now I'm gonna add one with this name key. So you can see name one key is not present in our this customer dictionary. So now if we run our program we will get an error. So let's go ahead and see the result, and we get an error. We can fix this issue in get function method. By using get function we can set default value to the key if the key is not found in the dictionary. So that's cool about the get function. Now let's get rid of this, and the syntax of get function is we can call the get function by dot get and then opening and closing parentheses, and in the parentheses first you have to pass the dictionary key. So I'm gonna pass name, and in the second single or in double quotes you have to pass the default value. So I'm gonna say key is not found. Now if we run our program we will get Imad Ali. So this name key is present in our this customer data dictionary. So let's go ahead and run our program, and we get Imad Ali. But if we passed any key which is not present in our customer data dictionary, then we will get the default value. So now let's go ahead and change the key to name 2. Now we will get this value, key is not found. So let's go ahead and run the program and we get key is not found. So by using get function we can set the default value if the key is not found in the dictionary. You can also change the dictionary key value. So now I'm gonna change the name key value, which is Imad Ali, to Zia. So after the dictionary, I'm gonna call the dictionary customer data square brackets and the key name is name equal to, and I'm gonna set to Zia. Now if we run our program we will get Zia and we get Zia. So we can also change the dictionary key value. We can also use numbers with decimal point or boolean in our keys instead of strings. Now let's get rid of this. 1, 2, 3 and let's say 4.1. Now let's get rid of this and I'm gonna change now name to 1. So now we will get this number. Let's go ahead and run our program and we get this number. Let's try the last one, 4.1. Now if we run our program we will get Peshawar, Pakistan. So let's go ahead and see the result and we get Peshawar, Pakistan. So you can use numbers with decimal point or boolean in your dictionary keys. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any queries let me know. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.